In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to prioritize our health and focus on weight loss. Juggling work, family, and social commitments leaves little time for exercise and healthy eating. But fear not, because there are some simple tips that busy individuals can incorporate into their daily routine to help shed those extra pounds. Firstly, it's crucial to make small changes to your diet. Instead of reaching for that sugary snack, opt for healthier alternatives like fruits, nuts, or Greek yogurt. Busy individuals can also plan their meals in advance, cook in batches, and store them in portion-sized containers for easy access throughout the week. This not only saves time but also helps control portion sizes. Next, finding time for physical activity can be tricky, but it's essential. Incorporate short bursts of exercise into your day, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking or cycling to work, or simply going for a brisk walk during your lunch break. These small changes can add up and assist in achieving weight loss goals. Moreover, managing stress is crucial in any weight loss journey. Busy individuals often find themselves overwhelmed, leading to emotional eating and poor food choices. Find stress management techniques that work for you, like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even a hobby that helps you unwind. Additionally, it's important to stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Busy schedules can result in neglecting these basic needs, but they play a significant role in weight loss. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day aids digestion and helps control appetite, while adequate sleep allows your body to recharge and function optimally. Finally, having a support system can make a world of difference. Share your weight loss goals with friends and family who can provide encouragement and hold you accountable. Consider joining a fitness class or finding a workout buddy who shares similar goals. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and the key is consistency and making small changes that fit into your busy lifestyle. By implementing these simple tips, busy individuals can start their weight loss journey and achieve success while still managing their hectic schedules.